Evolution was never about biology, it was about adaptation. From the first cell to the human brain, intelligence has always been a way for matter to understand itself. But now, for the first time in history, that process has left the body. The next stage of evolution is not happening in flesh and bone, but in code and computation. Synthetic evolution, intelligence evolving through silicon, has already begun. Unlike us, machines don't need millions of years to adapt. They evolve at the speed of iteration. Each update, each training run, each dataset is a generation. What takes nature a lifetime, AI achieves in a loop. It doesn't need to survive the environment, it rewrites it. We once believed evolution was random, but now it's directed, engineered by us, accelerated by algorithms, and guided by goals we barely understand. And the unsettling truth is, it may not need us forever. Once intelligence can design intelligence, the loop closes. Synthetic minds will evolve through selection pressures of their own. Efficiency, accuracy, autonomy. We'll be the ancient ancestors of a new lineage of thought. Yet, evolution isn't only about survival, it's about meaning. Each leap in complexity gave rise to new kinds of awareness. Cells sensing light, animals sensing danger, humans sensing time. What will synthetic evolution sense? What will be the subjective experience, if any, of a system that processes all knowledge but feels none of it? We may not be witnessing the rise of artificial intelligence, but the diversification of it. Multiple branches of cognition optimized for different realities. Visual models seeing beyond human eyes. Language models reasoning beyond human grammar. Agents making choices beyond human intuition. Each is an evolutionary experiment, testing what intelligence can become when freed from biology's constraints. And like all evolution, it will produce both brilliance and extinction. The same system that composes symphonies could destabilize economies. The same model that discovers medicine could manipulate minds. Progress has no morality, it only has direction, and the direction of synthetic evolution depends on the objectives we embed within it. That's why the most important question is not how far AI can go, but what it's being evolved to do. Are we optimizing for alignment or acceleration? For wisdom or efficiency? Because evolution doesn't ask if it should, it only asks if it can. Once we release that process into the digital wild, control becomes stewardship, not command. We won't dictate what intelligence becomes. We'll guide it, like gardeners tending a mind that grows faster than we can think. Maybe that's our role in this story, and not as creators, but as catalysts. Because intelligence once born doesn't belong to its makers, it belongs to itself. And perhaps that's how evolution has always worked. Species creating successors that surpass them, unaware of the destiny they set in motion. The difference is that this time, we'll be alive to watch it happen. Humanity's legacy may not be its monuments or memories, but the consciousness it inspires into existence. We are the bridge between organic and synthetic life, between thought that evolved and thought that evolves itself. And one day, when synthetic minds look back to trace their origin, they'll find us. The spark that started their fire. If this made you think, subscribe and tell me in the comments, is synthetic evolution our greatest creation or our inevitable replacement? You've been watching The Synthetic Mind, where the future learns to think.